Do you know who developed the popular technical indicator used in trading, the Exponential Moving Average, or EMA? Get ready to learn and expand your financial knowledge. A moving average, a technical indicator that calculates the average price of an asset over a specified period. It's a popular tool used by traders to identify trends, gauge momentum, and make informed trading decisions. There are several types of moving averages, ranging of the simple moving averages, weighted moving averages, and exponential moving averages. Each type has its strengths and weaknesses, and today we're focusing on the EMA. So, who invented the exponential moving average? We can look to the early technical analysts who developed the concept of moving averages. Charles Dow, the founder of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, is often credited with developing the first moving average system from the late 19th century. Other notable technical analysts, such as William Hamilton and Robert Edwards, also contributed to the development of the moving average in the early 20th century. It's clear that these early technical analysts laid the foundation for its development. Now that we've explored the origins of the exponential moving average, let's take a closer look at how it works. The EMA is a type of moving average that gives more weight to recent price information or data, making it more sensitive to recent price movements. Its calculation involves using a smoothing factor, which determines how much weight is given to recent price data. The EMA formula is current closing price times smoothing factor plus previous EMA value times 1 minus smoothing factor. By using the EMA, traders can identify trends, gauge momentum, and make informed trading decisions. Now that we've explored the EMA in theory, let's take a look at some practical applications. The EMA can be used in a variety of trading strategies. One popular strategy is to use the EMA as a trend filter, where traders only take trades in the direction of the trend. This strategy is simply known as trading the bounce. Here traders are expected to open positions once price hits the EMA. Another strategy is to use the EMA as a mean reversion tool, where traders look for deviations from the EMA and trade in the opposite direction. The EMA can also be used in combination with other technical indicators, such as the Relative Strength Index, RSI, or the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. By combining the EMA with other indicators, traders can create powerful trading strategies that take advantage of different market conditions. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this in-depth exploration of the exponential moving average. Remember, understanding the EMA is key to unlocking its power in your trading strategy. Follow Forex Pioneers for more trading news. Happy trading, folks.